Good afternoon. It is November the 14th, 2017. Time to wrap up another day of trading. Hey, we had a good day today. I mean, it was big. We real-time trades before the fact on crude plus 82, plus a nickel on the end. 87 ticks. Pretty close to 3 months worth of service covered today. Caught a good one in the Emini, the 73 short. And our structural trade in the bond at 31. I'm not sure we caught any in gold, but it's tough when you're covering 4 markets. Let's start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, coming in today into the E-mini, we had hoped to sell the 79 to 81 area right here. The high was 78, so this was the 73 that we caught off of that S right there. You could have been involved earlier over in here, gotten a pretty nice trade, but this one, that was good for 6 on a 2 lot. The 78 trade up here, good for a little, good for a little more. Head and shoulders pattern here, good for some. Our first buy was 70.72. That was quickly broken. 65.67 was number 2, and that held. So fortunately we were ahead of schedule, and we were able to get in on that one. Looking at the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. I think Trump gets back. I don't know what time he gets back, but I'm thinking today, maybe late. We have a P put in backwards. P's put in backwards are short covering. Projecting prices under 68. We've got a lot of news tomorrow. CPI plus 1/10. Core plus 2/10. Retail sales plus 1/10. Ex-autos plus 2/10. All of these numbers can come in higher than forecast. Empire manufacturing 26. Business inventories plus 1/10. And then we have crude, gasoline, and heating oil tomorrow also. So the focus will be core CPI, retail sales, ex-autos. Right now, it is a P. 78's the high, so 78 to 80, sell 1. 83, 85, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll go for 70, 72, buy 1. 65, 67, buy 2. But hopefully everybody's having fun doing this. It should not be stress creating. Stress comes from not knowing what you're doing, so we're trying to hold your hands and talk through these things and calm you down a little bit and give you the skills you need to know to be successful at this. Looking at the note, lower highs, find a place to sell it. We do have a P today. You can see right, very clean break up here at 125. So we've got a seller 28 to the buck, and we don't have a lot of. We're not seeing a lot of strong buying here. We don't have spaces of rejection beneath us. So there is a buyer against 16, but that's about all that we can say. So lots of news tomorrow. It is a P. Maybe get a little higher. We had a 22 to 26 sell today. That came in pretty nice for us. The high, I think, is 26.5. Can't get any closer than that. And on the buy side, we had 13 to 17 on the buy side and the low. I think it was 16 and a half. Anyway, 17. So we got really, really close on this. So it is a P. We are pointed higher. Let's try 27s to 31. Sell 1. 3 to 7. Sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. And 5. Well, we'll make it 9 to 13. Looking at the 30-year. $53 to the 04. Number 1. 7 to 11. Sell 1. We had a trade off at 31 today structurally. 15 to 19. Sell 2. Last rotate down stopped at 20. I think 25. So we'll make 20 to 24. 1. Buy 13 to 17. Buy 1. 5 to 9. Buy 2. Gold finished up strong. Okay, one of the things Peter and I are working on now is we're going to be able to show a spread in the profile. And I don't read line charts very well, which is the way most spreads come at you. I can read the bar charts fine, but if we get a spread on the profile, because that's where the big money goes on the knob spread, then I think we can get 30-40 minutes. We can see weakness in the spread before it starts to break. Outside day on gold. Don't see a lot of outside days, but we did have one today. We had a 70 to 72 buy. Caught that edge. Starting off, we had a 75 to 77 in the Y period high. We caught that. Then we were 79 to 81. And that held a little bit in C period. Market pulled back to 78. So again, it was a good trade. We know where support and resistance lie. 83.85, sell 1. 88.90, sell 2. On the buy side, 75.77. Buy 1. 70.72, buy 2. Okay, tonight we'll have the APIs out. They'll want to see a draw in crude. They'll want to see a draw in products. I don't know if they'll get it. I don't know what the prog is. But we got hit pretty hard today. Lower high, lower low. As you move out of the middle and S period. Right here, that 55 area. Right in here could be pretty good support. It is a major market number. Not as big as 50, but every $5 somebody pays attention in crude oil. $55.75. 56, sell 1. 56 and a quarter. 56.50, sell 2. APIs are tonight. 55 even. 55 and a quarter, buy 1. 54.50, 54.75, buy 2. Huge day today in the euro. Yellen, Draghi, Carney, all sorts of people are speaking overseas. It's a European meeting. And probably the understatement of the world, Janet Yellen today said that with so many people speaking about on Fed policy, it does lead to confusion. Well, duh. And there's your big rally right there. Now, the Kaplan came out at 3 a.m. saying that the Fed was actively considering raising interest rates in December. So Draghi had to counter with something, and I didn't see those statements, but very, very strong day and got above 118, which blew out all of our resistance points. Newsday, Draghi he can move the market 1 to 3 points. So 1825, sell 1. 1850, sell 2. 1800, buy 1. 75, buy 2. And that does it for this November the 14th, 2017. I will see you all bright and early in the morning, and hopefully tomorrow will be as good as today was for us. We had a great day today. I'm out of here.